So know who to be and understand the privilege. Now what needs to happen is a memorandum of understanding between us and our neighbors, because we're not a threat to them. All we want is our full entitlement and our rights. That is it. We know what we need to do, but we're in a landlocked situation because we do what we want in our land. But from your step cross, you have problem. So then how we work together then? It means that we have to come to the table again. But this time we come the right way.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that means them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome again, Unstoppable family. Welcome back to another Unstoppable TV premiere. Now, from the title of this video, you could see where it says Maroons square off with Jamaican police. In a video that went viral on social media, we saw where Chief Richard Currie and a few of his fellow Maroons confronted a few police officers who they say were trespassing on Maroon land. In the video, you could see where the Maroons confronted the officers with drums and Chief Currie had a shotgun strapped over his back. Eventually, the officers decided to leave, but after the video went viral, the FLA decided that they were going to put out a statement saying that an investigation would be launched to find out whether or not the gun that Chief Currie had in his possession was legal. Now, before we continue and go any further, let's take a look at the video that went viral on social media.
Okay, now switching a gun now go on here, so that's you wanna fool around your fuck. Why you pointing your gun at a civilian?
Why no? Chief, come in, warrior, so come. Warrior, so.
Man, look up. What's it, crowd?
Lower your gun, brother. Lower your gun. Henry. Yo, keep attack to the road. Yo, keep attack to the road. Yo, keep attack to the road. We are coming out right now. Maroon. Listen to me, talk to you. Henry. No aggression. Stand up. Stand up. Listen to me. Lower your gun.
Lower your gun.
Lower your gun.
What's scared of? You're scared, bro?
Please exit. Please exit.
No.
Please exit.
Hey, look here.
Please exit.
Look here.
Please exit.
Look here. We did that from
Please exit.
Nothing at all.
Calm down. You boy, chief. You.
Let the chief talk. Let the chief talk. Let the chief talk, no brother. Let the chief talk. Come on, let the chief talk.
Hey, boy, I thief. Yo. Yes, only boy. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Come Yo, Lanny. You hear that truth, man?
Now I want to see everything that went down right there, right? Chief Currie come out to defend his people and his land with a shotgun across his back, which from the video I didn't see him pull it at any time. But the officers had their guns drawn and aimed at the men, right? Now, as we said, the FLA said that an investigation would be launched.
Meanwhile, Jamaica's Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang, is commending the actions of the police officers who were confronted by the group of Maroon men. He says, to his knowledge, there's no such thing as Maroon land.
Now that is his word right there. He says, as far as him know, there is no land called Maroon land, and it is all Jamaica, and the police have authority to go everywhere in Jamaica. Basically, how I must say. Now, Chief Currie spoke out again, and this is what he has to say.
Greetings. I'm Chief Richard Currie, duly elected leader of the indigenous Maroon people of the Cockpit Country. I'm a humble countryman, raised in rural Jamaica, among a unique set of tribal people residing in the hills of the Cockpit Country. My people bravely defended Jamaica against colonization and defended the right of Aboriginal people in Jamaica to govern ourselves and our own land, in Jamaica land we love. I've never been a criminal or involved in any kind of violent activity nor organized crime. I'm not a gang member, and there are no gangs in my territory. I'm a bloodline descendant of the island's first people. I'm proud to say that I hold their traditions of independence, freedom, and self-sufficiency. This land of my people is ours, and ours alone. Our ancestors fought bitterly from the time of the Spanish up until 1738 to defend this land, and we will never stop defending it, and we will never stop honoring the ways of our ancestors and the sacrifices that they made to ensure that we had a place to call home. This was not land we begged for, and this was not land that King George II gave to us, but rather land that we have possessed since prehistoric times. Yes, many people did come from faraway lands to join our ranks. But the first people to be called Maroon are the people today known as Arawaks or Tainos, the first people of the Antilles. Our rights are creator-given, not man-made. Freedom is our culture. Self-governance is our culture. Sovereignty is our culture. Not just singing, not just dancing. The Maroons are not clowns. We're not entertainment for tourists. We are a distinct people with a living history, and we will do our utmost best to protect the inheritance of our ancestors that they left for us. As a duly elected representative of my people, I am also charged to be their protector and defender, to lead them fearlessly in the face of adversity, and to be the first in line of defense of their rights. When the Maroons are in need, they do not seek first to call 911 or 119 or any string of numbers. They call their chief. The members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the members of the Firearm Licenses Authority are not elected by my people. I am. In the cockpit country, we believe in democracy and the political freedom of the people. Therefore, I must inform the entire Jamaican public that I do not seek permission to defend my people. It is my duty to defend my people, and it should be the duty of any leader to do the same. We are no longer in a time of bows and arrows and spears and slingshots. We're in a time of modern warfare, guns, bombs, and all manner of weaponry. I unequivocally reserve my right to defend my people using modern means, as this is my right. I do not seek permission to execute it. The protection of my people and their property is my fiduciary duty. And there is no power on earth, temporal or spiritual, that can separate me from my duty and my undying love for my people. I urge the government of Jamaica to keep the peace and to allow me to look after my people in peace, and to allow my people to live comfortably in their ancestral homeland, as we trouble no one and deprive no one of their rights by doing so. Thank you very much.
Well, there you have it, Unstoppable family. The end of the video. I want to talk to me down below in the comment section. Do you think that the police has authority to go on Maroon land or not? I want to also tell me if you don't feel like what Chief Currie had to say in this video right here made sense, or was he wrong? Talk to me down below in the comment section. I would love to hear your views on this matter. Alright? If this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, do me a favor. Click the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.